In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer money from Payoneer to Wise USD method. Before we begin, make sure you have an active Payoneer account with available USD funds and a Wise account set up with USD receiving details. It helps if both accounts are verified and the names match exactly, because mismatches are a common reason transfers get delayed or bounced back. Start by opening Payoneer and signing in securely. If you use two-factor authentication, have your device ready. Once you're in, take a quick look at your USD balance to confirm you have enough to cover the transfer plus any applicable fees. Keeping your browser updated and avoiding public Wi-Fi adds an extra layer of security while you do this. Next, go to Withdraw. This is where Payoneer lets you send money to an external bank account. We're going to connect your Wise details here, so Payoneer can treat Wise like a USD bank account. Now add your Wise USD account details. In Wise, open your USD account and find the account numbers provided for receiving money in the United States. Typically, you'll see an account holder name, routing number, and account type. Copy them carefully and paste them into Payoneer exactly as shown. Select USD as the currency and choose checking if asked for account type. When available, use the ACH details rather than wire details to minimize fees and speed up processing. Double check every digit, a single typo can cause delays. Enter the transfer amount in USD. Payoneer may show a fee estimate and minimum or maximum limits. Make sure the amount you enter leaves enough remaining balance for fees so the transfer doesn't fail. If you need the funds urgently, note that larger amounts or first-time transfers may take a bit longer for review. Review everything and confirm, then submit. Carefully verify the recipient name matches your Wise account name, the last 4 digits of the account number, and the routing number. Add a clear reference note if you like, such as transfer to my Wise USD to make it easy to identify later. Save or screenshot the confirmation page so you have a record of the transaction ID. Finally, wait for the transfer. ACH transfers typically arrive within 1 to 3 business days, excluding weekends and holidays. You can monitor progress in Payoneer under transactions and watch for a notification from Wise when the money lands. If it's taking longer than expected, recheck the details, make sure your accounts are fully verified, and contact support only with the transaction reference handy. That's it. Your Payoneer funds should now be on their way to Wise in USD.